I am Dancer Suarez Banyasha.
And also, I'm Francia May Alberta.
My name is Ana Rose Cabili.
And I am Angela Miranda.
And we will be discussing about security, governance, and compliance.
Governance versus management. Governance set the overall directions, goals, and rules for the organization. Management execute the daily work to achieve the goals set by the governance. Core difference. Core difference is governance is strategic direction, management day-to-day execution. Example from the text, governance decides the strategy, while management handles the daily task to carry it out. That's all.
Governance versus compliance. Governance decides how the organization should operate internally. Compliance ensures the organization meets external rules or requirements. Core difference, governance and compliance. Governance, internally driven, defining how. Compliance, externally driven, providing meeting requirements. Example from the text. Governance is about setting internal controls, while compliance is about showing you follow laws and standards.
Good evening, sir. My name is Angela Miranda, and my topic is all about auditing versus monitoring. So, auditing is a scheduled check to verify if controls are working properly, while monitoring is continuous checking to see if any threats or issue is happening now. So, the core difference of auditing and monitoring: auditing is a periodic and verifying, while monitoring always on and detective. Example: auditing checks the control environment periodically, while monitoring constantly looks for current threats. So, auditing is periodic, systematic, and independent, while monitoring is an ongoing real-time observation and tracking of a process. That's all.
In conclusion, all of this work together to keep the organization guided, compliant, and safe.